Hey ladies, it's me, April. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, enjoy. And let's go ahead and start working on some acrylics. The acrylics that I'm going to be using today is the soft white and the crystal clear from Royalty Nail Supplies. And the glitter that I'm going to be using is Glittertastrophe's Bubble Bath. This is the brush that I'm going to use, the Alpha 10. And this is the monomer, just in case you guys are wondering. And this is my pH, dehydrator, and the bonder that I'm using. Alright, so let's go ahead and start sticking the nails. I've already had prepped and figured out which ones I was needing. So now we're just going to go ahead and put the glue on just the tip of the nail and just add it on. I do use a magic wand to kind of pinch them to the sides a little bit, just to make sure that they are secure. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and use the tip cutter and cut to the desired shape. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and file down the side walls and get the shaping perfected, and I will be right back. Alright, so I am done with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and start filing down the top part of the tip that you will be able to see. So I'm using the Mia Secret, and I'm just adding a little bit on the top so I can blend the nail to the fake nail. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put the pH and the bonder. So first you're going to go ahead and put on the pH first. I normally just do one coat throughout the whole nails. And then I go ahead and with the bonder and I put that on, and I put that twice. Okay, so I'm going to just use the crystal clear from Royalty Nail Supplies and just add a little thin layer over my natural nail. Just so it can be easier when I am filing down the color, I'm able to get towards the clear and not hit the actual natural nail. Alright, so right now we're going to go ahead and start with Young Nails Rosebud for that pinky tone color. We're going to go ahead and put that on my index finger and also on my ring finger. All right, I'm trying to make this like a nail bed, that pinky tone color. And I'm still not all that great with doing like nail beds like this, like overlapping the nail bed. And I mean, I'm still practicing, but I'm still struggling as well. So if any of you guys have tips, please let me know down in the comments below so you guys can help me out with that. I do take any advice from anybody if y'all know how to do those. I mean, I do have that cutter, you know, the cutter, you just slide it down through your nail. I'll probably use that, but I wanted to just try to do it. And I mean, I'm getting better, but it's all right. Okay, so on my index finger, that one's going to be a little bit different. All I'm doing is kind of blending it down towards the tip with the fade. That's all that I'm doing. I just wanted to have a little pinky tone color because that's going to be glitter on the end of the tip. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and get soft white, and we're going to put that on the middle finger, and it's going to be kind of a blend with the Young Nails Rosebud. So I'm going to make it kind of like a marble nail, but not quite, because it's not going to look marbly, you know. I'm just pretty much just putting, you know, white in some spots and rosebud in other spots. And then I also decided to go ahead and put some rosebud on my pinky as well and fading it down just like I did on the index finger. Okay, and now for the thumb, it's going to be pretty much the same way I did on the middle finger. Now I'm going to go ahead and fix the shape on my ring finger. I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I am back, I'm going to go ahead and put some soft white on my ring finger. Just a little bit, just so the glitter can pop out a little bit more on that finger. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and encapsulate the glitter with the crystal clear. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my nail drill and start taking off the bulk. And then this is the time where I start doing where the cuticle area is with the drill as well. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys just 2 fingers. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish behind the scenes. Okay, so I am back. We're going to go ahead and add some rhinestones on the middle finger. I do not have any other shape than just the regular rhinestone, shape. So I'm just making kind of like a little design to at least make it look a little different. And I really like how it came out. So I was just using the Mia Secret resin, and then I am going to spray with the activator to make it harden. Alright, so I want these nails to be matte, so I'm going to be using the Valentino matte no wipe top coat. Right, so let's stick the nails in the LED light for 60 seconds, and then the same with the thumb. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I'm just ending it off with some cuticle oil. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button and to subscribe. And also, thanks, guys, for watching, and share the love. Bye!